Hello friends, today we will discuss topic conical pendulum. In this topic we will also find out expression for period of conical pendulum. Friends, you already know about what is meant by simple pendulum. In simple pendulum, mass m is suspended by string of length L and moves along arc of vertical circle. That arc of vertical circle called as Bob's trajectory. What is meant by conical pendulum? If the mass in simple pendulum revolves in horizontal circle and the string, which makes constant angle with the vertical, describes a cone whose vertex at fixed point O, then mass string system is called conical pendulum as shown in figure. In compound pendulum, there are two forces which acting on bob of mass. First is gravitational force mg in downward direction and second one is tension in the string T which acting along the string directed towards the support. For horizontal circular motion of bob, the resultant force must be centripetal, that is, it directed towards the center of circle. It means vertical gravitational force must be balanced. Now we resolve tension T bar into two mutually perpendicular components, that is, one along vertical direction and other is along horizontal direction. The component T cos theta is acting vertically upwards and the inclination should be such that T cos theta is equal to mg, that is, vertical components of the tension in the string must be balanced by the gravitational force which is equal to mg, so that there is no vertical force. The resultant force on the bob is T sin theta, which is radial or centripetal or directed towards center O dash, which shown in figure. T sin theta is equal to mv square by r, which is equal to mr omega square. Now consider tan theta in triangle MO dash, which is equal to ratio of T sin theta upon T cos theta. We know T sin theta is equal to mv square by r and T cos theta is equal to mg. Therefore, we get tan theta is equal to mv square by r upon mg, which is equal to v square by rg. Now, we already know that velocity of particle performing circular motion is equal to 2 pi r upon its period. Therefore, by putting this value of velocity in above equation, we get tan theta is equal to 4 pi square r square upon capital T square into rg. Now we have to find out equation for period. Therefore, period is equal to 2 pi under root of r upon g tan theta. In last equation, T is equal to 2 pi under root of r upon g tan theta, r is equal to L sin theta. By putting value of r, we get T is equal to 2 pi under root of L sin theta upon g tan theta. Now sin theta upon tan theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, T is equal to 2 pi under root of L cos theta upon g. Also, L cos theta is equal to vertical distance of the horizontal circle from the fixed point O. Therefore, by substituting L cos theta is equal to h, we get period T is equal to 2 pi under root of h upon g. From this final equation of period, we can say that period of conical pendulum depends upon length of the pendulum small l and vertical distance of the horizontal circle from the fixed point O, which is equal to small h. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.